He's probably baked as fuck.
Absinthe, what are you doing?
Now you're not gonna find him because I guarantee he's going in my closet.
Look at him.
Just ran under your vanity.
Yep. That's his hiding spot.
Give me the pack, basically, because I'm gonna shake it. Maybe he'll come.
He won't.
Why not?
He's hiding catnip. He's scared.
No, he's not. Here, just give it to me. Where is the catnip?
Have fun finding it.
Okay.
Hunger.
Nope. Or, yep.
You'd have more success shaking the cheese bag.
I've just started a new recording.
Rolling, rolling, rolling. Absinthe can't fucking even.
Yeah, he's high. He is high.
You high motherfucker. High nigga pie motherfucker.
What the?
Didn't work, did it?
Not yet.
Open the hammer cheese bag. He'll come running.
Yes, it's a pocket pie as shit.
Oh my gosh, it's everywhere on him.
You got it fucking everywhere on you, you little fucker.
He does, I told you. Oh, don't scare him.
That's the fun part.
Oh, Simba just went in there. Went in there. Yeah, Twinkie will beg us sometimes for some cheese or some chicken or whatever.
If you shake the hammer cheese bag, they come running.
This one's so high, I can hear him just breathing it all in.
I like the meow he did.
Yeah. I'm pretty.
So little.
I know, it was so adorable.
You're such a big cat. Why do you have a little meow?
Oh, I think I got that.
Idiot.
He's kicking himself.
You missed his meow, Justin.
I know.
It was cute as fuck.
What are you doing?
He's still trying to fucking get Simba. He ain't gonna get Simba.
Oh, I got the tail.
Ow, you bastard.
Did he bite you?
Yeah, he's biting you and rabbit kicking.
That was funny. He kicked himself in. And so this...
Poor cat.
No.
Ha! You lost it. Simba! He hates you.
I know.
He hates Justin.
He seems to like me.
Yeah, because you don't sit there and go, ah!
Ah.
Yeah, he makes loud noises and hugs them.
No wonder he's,
I got you. I got you.
Oh, bless you.
I got you.
Leave my fat shit alone.
You get here and get high. Get high.
He doesn't want to no more.